Hi there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Pure Color Glitter Hairspray in pink. A little bit about the product. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. It's great for Halloween. It's great for, every day. It's easy to remove and it's a temporary color. However, I have found that the color is not as vibrant on my hair, even though I have blonde highlights, and I don't see any glitter in it. So, like I said, it's not the greatest of products to change your hair color. I'm going to demonstrate by spraying it on my hand. First thing you want to do is shake it up really well and see how it's kind of a pink, but it's really watery and it smells good. So, but easy to take off, but it doesn't really, it's just more of a stain than it is anything that really lasts in your hair. I'd prefer something that, like a hair chalk or a hair gel, that would leave more color in the hair. This one, like I said, if you look, I don't know if you can even see if there's any glitter in there. I don't see any. I see like little tiny bits of glitter, but not the glitter that it advertises. So I would give this probably 1 star out of 5. Not super happy with this product. Doesn't come highly recommended, but you could try it if you're looking for something to easily spray in your hair. And like I said, it smells rather good. I don't know what the smell is, but it smells great. I like to play with my hair, and I love to use temporary colors. Not semi-permanent, but temporary. One like this is, where you wash it out. You definitely don't want to use a heat product over the color, because that will lock it into your hair and you might not be able to get it out. It might turn into a semi-permanent. But like I said, the pigment is not super bright, so everything says it's going to be good, but it's really not that amazing of a product. But like I always say, try it for yourself. Hair color is bright hair color is a popular thing. There's no age restriction. When I was a teenager, it was more relegated to teenagers and people in their 20s. Now people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and I've even seen people in their 70s put color in their hair, actually semi-permanent or permanent. My sister-in-law dyes her hair probably every 4 to 6 weeks, and she does pink, she does orange, she does blue, she does everything. My mother-in-law, who is about 65 years old, actually has had purple highlights put into her hair. Like I said, I don't want anything that's that permanent, so I usually try and go with something that is just a fun thing that I can spray in. I just wish this product worked a little bit better. It's kind of disappointing that it's not as good of a product as I thought it was going to be. I tried it on my hair the other day and showed my husband, and he didn't really think it did a whole lot for it. It was kind of a light pink. So it's not, like I said, the best product, but if you want to give it a try, you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. It's not super expensive, but like I said, no glitter really to show in the Hairspray, which is kind of disappointing because the pink glitter was really appealing to me. Yeah, give it a try. And once again, it's the Pure Color Hairspray. This one is pink, and it's 2.5 ounces. So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.